and I'd like to talk about efficiency of the robots. Just imagine, all we are looking forward to living in the smart cities, drones, taxis, robotic services, but what will never go away is cleaning. And it's nothing to do. Maybe that's why people start to think how to create smart machines. But on the way to create smart machines, they just made regular ones, assisted by humans. And quality of cleaning depends on skills of driver. It's going better and better every time when he going through the pass. So they're studying. But what about robots? Just have a seat. What is happening? Do you know what is the problem here? They are quite stupid because they can't study. They don't learn the room. They don't understand where are they. Next time they will behave the same way. What we are doing in Dorbeetle, we are thinking to implement smart piece of brain in the machines. So yes, that's software. But not only, because we need tutors. Humans' knowledge is how to clean. So first time, a human will show how to work. And after that, robot will repeat it. So it's like a call center for cleaning tutors. But not else. You can see what can happen with robots. So in that case, it's probably needed to also get and take control over. In that case, tutor should do something. Probably in future, robots will share information and adopt algorithms of self-learning. Tutors should think about evaluation and approval of algorithms. So who is our customers? Big property owners. They nowadays have enormous maintenance costs. And here in Germany, Deutsche Bahn is one of the biggest retails. So we have talked with 7 different customer groups, and we get no from them. That actually they are interested not in robots, not in machines. They are interested in cleaning services. So that's why we have changed our business model. We need to collaborate with already existing cleaning companies. We need to bring them some new technologies, which makes it efficient. And here's also one good example why robots can be efficient. During the nights, because robots don't care. What time is it? But night shifts, you know, especially in Germany, it's very expensive. Well, how robots can make life more easier? Oh, you see, people are sleeping. So here in Dorbeetle, we don't have an aim to take sweepers' working time. No, we are looking for niches where it's cleaning complicated or maybe dangerous for humans. And especially on the beginning of the project, it will be interesting to start from some restricted areas. Yeah, we in the beginning, you see, it's probably a long, long way to go in, and we will start from the implementation of control units to the existing professional machines. After that, we will try to test control units. Where are we now? If talk about cinema, then it's like cinema like a product, then we do a prequel. So we have spent 4 million seconds just to study how it works. We build up the hardware, because for hardware you need to understand how it works software. And for different applications, different special requirements are needed. So we build up hardware just to understand how to do that. And on that line we start to develop customers. But here we are. We are engineers in the company which do automated test systems from 2008 year. We have involved robotic and electronic engineers in that project. We spend time and think how to do that. We have in our house opportunity to hardware and electronics design. But we buy PCBs, all other stuff, 3D printing services. So we are thinking that in the beginning, design will be in our house. But every time we are going to customers to test it. In a way to Selling, we need to collaborate with cleaning services, security specialists, certified centers, and of course with financial institutions. Because it's not possible without leasing. Probably, to start a big deal, you need to know about competitors. We have tracked them, and most of them are concentrated on autonomous mode. But we are talking about smart system in the system, in the cloud, which is thinking about cleaning optimization. It's now a thing. And what would be if tomorrow a product already exists? So we will come to the market and tell 80 euros per one session to 1,000 square meters. We don't know your rates. We don't know rates of cleaning companies, but you can compare. Is it good or not? So like children looking out to the stars, we are looking to partners to start a pilot projects. We are looking also for accelerators because we'd like to grow and we need to be studied how to do that. After, when we will have our positive references, we'd like to talk about smart investments. So if you're take care about future, about cleaning smart cities, please collaborate with us. Just go to dorbeetle.net and submit form for contacts. Thank you.